Lockdown doesn't sound positive at all, isn't it? But you know what? It did something. It not only gave me an opportunity to understand the real me, but also to love myself. And what I love the most, bikes. With the lockdown rules, even going for a spin was frightening, and I waited for long, sometimes really long. And then the new law came in place. Without wasting any time, I grabbed my jacket, my gloves, and of course, the mask. See, we planned the sanitizers and masks for the ride. Everything was set, and I went on. At first, the plan was simple: look around for a place where I can fly my drone. But it turned we had a wild plan which didn't involve Google Maps. Rest was amazing. We kept on riding till we found this beautiful piece of land. Serene, isn't it? All of a sudden, I was one with my bike. Sorry for this traffic light, folks. Thanks to Abhishek for this beautiful piece of road for sure. The road was narrower, but it was fun. And of course, the corners. Does it remind you of something? It does to me. My beautiful childhood vacations. The beautiful country roads. You know what? With friendship comes a thing. And the thing is, are you out of your mind? And yes, we did the crossing. As you can see, the scooter is having a real bad time. See, the point is, these small things, they remind you of your childhood and the person who you are. And see, I just went ahead and I did it. And so we hopped on and we continued with our exploration. Do notice the beautiful moon on the right. I can definitely see the rain gods are planning something. and I could literally see the intensity of the clouds and guess what was there for us. We ended up on a barren land with a sight of the full moon, and it was really peaceful. We ended up from a short spin to a rain ride and did reach home safely. All I can say, I never valued myself until this pandemic. But I do now. See, the thing is simple. Your passion knows no limits. There is no end to any passion that you follow. Follow your dreams. Live them. And use this lockdown time to the best of your possibilities. Explore yourself and please value yourself. In the end, you, my friend, are on your own. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and do subscribe to my channel if you love the video, and follow me on Instagram. It's Time Travel Duke, and thank you for your support.